Hey everybody, how are you doing today? So do me a favor before we get started. I need for you to hit this like button. If you're not a subscriber, I need for you to hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. So check me out on IG when you get a chance. It is elevation_mentor. So today we're going to talk about what is going on in the stock market. So Carvana Stock. So the owner just made $11 billion because of what's happening with Carvana. So the owner is a father and a son. The father is 67. The son is 42. As you know, this is a used car dealer. And the stock surged 3,000% today. 3,000% today. So as a result of this increased their net worth, their combined net worth since December 2022 to $11 billion. So there's a game out here that people are playing. Speaking of that, if you're not in the stock market, check out this link below and join the wait list for the investing group, right? If you're interested in investing, learning how to invest, or getting with a group of people, check out the link below and join the wait list for the investment group. All right. So back to Carvana stock, it had fell to $4 a share due to increasing interest rates. Currently, it sits at $116.53. If anyone is in the markets currently and you want to take a look at it, you can see that jump. It jumped by 34%. This is the highest that it has been in 2 years. And this happened after the company reported their earnings. And they reported their earnings being stronger than expected. So what I gather from that is it's important to pay attention to earnings. And if it comes out stronger than expected, people tend to jump in and raise the price of the stock. So earnings is important. Paying attention to earnings and seeing how it came back. Did it come back stronger than expected? Well, the result of that is what you see today with Carvana stock. So that's what I gather from that. So the one-day surge, it pushed the father's fortune from 3.1 billion to 10.9 billion. So the father, he already had 3.1 billion. And then this one-day surge increased his net worth to 10.9 billion. The son, his fortune climbed to 3.8 billion. So combined, it's 11 billion. And then the son, he derived his wealth from his stake in the company, right? So there's a game out here and they're playing it, right? So as far as Carvana stock, it is currently sitting at $116.53. At one point in 2021, it was $370.10. So it was actually higher in 2021. And that is due to the stimulus money that was being passed out and also the low interest loans. So when the interest rates are low, people can borrow money easier and go out and buy whatever they want, go buy cars, for example. So the car company tends to do well in those time periods where the interest rates are low, where people are going to buy cars, and stimulus money, have more money, and thinking about doing things like going to buy cars. So the stock was higher in 2021. And then when interest rates began to rise, the the stock began to decrease. And so they cut back on the ad spending and they cut back on the vehicle inventory. So low interest rates, people are going out to buy cars. So the car company is doing well. High interest rates, less people buying cars. So car company not doing as well. However, as a result of the earnings report said that they had a strong quarter, stronger than what was expected, resulting in people jumping in, raising the price of the stock, and thus the father and son of this company, they now have a fortune of $11 billion combined. So, what do you think about that? I see that other people are struggling because, like, I see in the media, some people are struggling to pay their mortgage. So you have the people on this end that are struggling, maybe layoffs, fired, interest rates are high, inflation. And then here you have people who are in the stock market and increasing their fortune to 11 billion. All right. So does anybody see the importance of the stock market? All right. So this is what is going on with Carvana stock. So keep in mind, this is not financial advice, just for educational, informational purposes only. And this just happened, a one-day surge of 3,000%, increasing the fortune of the people who own this business, Carvana. Right? So I take it that they weren't simply holding it, they were involved in trading. Right? This looks like a trade to me. All right. So this is what is happening. Just happened. And so there's a game to be played out there. So what do you think about that? Any thoughts? Are you going to join the game or are you going to stay on the sidelines? Any thoughts? Any comments? So if you have comments later, feel free to leave them at the bottom. Also, check out the pin link below. I have a hat collection, and this hat collection is centered around dating. So as you know, I talk about dating on the weekends. So check out the hat collection below and let me know, what do you think? Do you like it? Yay or nay? So this is one of the things going on in the stock market, amidst all the other things that are going on in the world, right? So while people are in war, fighting, dying, struggling, trying to figure out how they're going to pay their bills, you have two people here that just increased their fortune by 11 billion. So you choose what side you're going to be on, okay? You choose. All right, so do me a favor. Before you leave, I need for you to hit this like button. It's right here in case anyone cannot see it. So I need everyone who supports the channel, hit this like button. If you know me in real life, I would appreciate if you hit this like button. If I talk to you on the phone, hit the like button. If I see you every day, hit the like button. You never know who's watching. If you know me and we see each other every day, hit this like button. All right. So the YouTube, it does not show who is hitting the like button. If that's your concern, it does not reveal your identity. It just says like. All right. So hit the like button if you know me, if you talk to me, you see me every day. If you are in here just spying, perhaps, you can hit the like button. Or if you got any value from what I just said about what is going on with these owners, hit the like button. All right. So thank you for watching, everyone. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right. And don't forget, check out the pin link, my hat collection. Get your dating on. Get your dating on. All right. So I want to see, this is what I want to see. I want to see if you can get a date this month. Men. And I'm not talking about the women. I'm talking about the men. Because men, sometimes you forget that you are the one that pursues her. It's not the other way around. So men, I want to challenge you and I want to see if you can get a date this month. Not with anyone, but with somebody that you like. All right. So thank you for watching, everyone. On your way out, hit this like button. All right. Have a good rest of your day. Bye for now.